What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok and how to customize the comment once it's on your screen. First, open the TikTok app and go to one of your videos. Find the comment you want to reply to. Tap Reply directly underneath that comment. Instead of typing a response, tap the record icon next to the text box. This will open the camera and let you record a video reply. Go ahead and record your video like you normally would. Once you finish recording, you'll notice the comment you're replying to appears on the screen as a sticker. Now you can customize it. Tap and drag the comment to move it anywhere on the screen. Use two fingers to pinch in or out to make the comment smaller or larger. You can also rotate the comment by twisting it with two fingers if you want the different angle. Once everything looks good, finish editing your video and post it. Your reply will now appear as a video linked directly to that comment, making it easy for viewers to follow the conversation. And that's it. That's how you reply to a comment with a video on TikTok and customize how the comment looks on screen. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.